Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to mirror your iPhone screen to an Apple TV or an AirPlay 2 compatible smart TV. First, make sure your iPhone and your TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Screen mirroring won't work if they're on different networks. Next, open Control Center on your iPhone. If you're using an iPhone 8 or earlier, swipe up from the bottom of the screen. If you're using an iPhone X or later, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen. Once Control Center is open, tap on Screen Mirroring. A list of available devices will appear. From that list, select your Apple TV or AirPlay 2 compatible smart TV. If prompted, enter the AirPlay passcode that appears on your TV screen into your iPhone to confirm the connection. After that, your iPhone screen will instantly appear on your TV, and anything you do on your phone will be mirrored in real time. When you're done, open Control Center again, tap Screen Mirroring, and select Stop Mirroring. You can also stop mirroring using the menu on your Apple TV remote. And that's how you mirror your iPhone screen to a TV. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.